Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have been using this Wix.com in 2026 for a while now, and you are currently asking on how to actually connect Wix forms to email. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to receive submissions directly in your email and all of that. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and let's go. As for the first step, just go look for Wix.com, look for it in basically your favorite browser or whatsoever. Then open Wix.com, make sure you log in using your email address and password and all of that. As for now, you're gonna see this design site, make sure you tap it, so it will take you to the website or the Wix website editor. So we're gonna wait till our website fully opens and all of this, so we can actually select our form. Okay. Then, okay, we're gonna wait again. Here it is. Go to form settings, form tab. Okay, I already have this one on, so we're gonna go and get a new one by tapping on plus button or add elements. Go and look for contact and forms. As for now, you will be able to see multiple options, including contacts. Create new form if you want to as well. Maps, donations, subscribe. Okay, let's go and actually look for contacts here. Contact us. So right now, you can basically just enable a form. Okay, we'll actually add to existing form. Okay, let's try this one as well. Okay, so we have this form here, as you see. We can either go to settings. Okay, we're gonna tap on settings here, then wait a little bit. Can also edit form if you want to. It will open a new dashboard where you usually should basically link your email or enable it. Here it is, contacts. We're gonna go to email. Fill the title, basically give it a name. Then you can also check the advanced field key, the email. You can also give it the email. Turn on notify me when someone submits a form. Choose the email address, enter the email where you want submission sent. Customize the notifications, and it will be done when you basically save and publish. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.